Hello, it's your boy Greg, and I am checking in. Not a mustache update. This is more of a safety razor update. So I just bought the King C Gillette double-edged safety razor. So, I did a video regarding how to shave with a safety razor. This is my old trusty. You can see there. It's I've had it for so long I don't remember the brand, and yeah, so that's about it there. And now I got this guy that I tried out for the first time this morning. Few differences, obviously. Well, not obviously because I haven't showed you yet, but obviously these are two different sizes. One's a little bit longer. The Gillette one is just a smidge longer. Well, yeah, maybe like an inch or so longer, which is fine, I guess. I don't know. It's certainly heavier too. The shave was really good. It is kind of weird to hold because there's no knurling, or I don't know. There's no nothing to grip on at the bottom there. So when you're holding it like this, shaving, it's fine, but it feels a little slippery, like down there, as you can see, especially if you are, and I recommend it, using water, to do it on your face. Not to do it. If you're using water and shaving materials like shaving soap and things like that on there, it's important to note that it can slip. Certainly more than this. This is certainly a lot grippier. The only major difference, aside from the weight, length, and looks, the knurls, is that this, my trusty, is a butterfly, so it opens out like that. And this one, you have to hold the sides, and then it's three pieces. So this top here, I guess it's four if you include the blade. So you got the blade, the top, the comb, then you got to put it back in the right order, and then you tighten that down. Now, not a huge deal, but it certainly makes for a little bit scarier blade changing for me. Where this, you just unscrew, take the blade out. No chance I'm gonna cut myself opening this. After I take the blade out, probably there's still a chance that I'll do that, but from here I have to grip it on the sides. If I don't have a firm enough hold on it, I could slip and cut my little baby fingers. I'm gonna continue shaving with this for a few more days just to get a really good sense of it, and I'll come back. I'll show you. If you've seen somebody shave, you've seen somebody shave, but yeah, it is different weight. So, and if you're shaving with these things, you don't need to apply any additional weight. I felt like when I shaved with this today, I had to kind of hold off on putting the weight. It's all chrome. It's supposed to hold up for a long time. So we'll see if that's true. But yeah, I don't know that I like the extra length on it. I don't know that it's necessary. But that's my take. You may like it. You may have, bigger hands. Or if you want to try and hold it really slippery at the edge there. But yeah, I don't know. So far it's fine. The blades seem fine. The kit, in this box, they do it for what it is. They do a good job of showing it off because they have this, and then they give you 5 blades. So when you first open it, cardboard box, nothing fancy. You're not spending a ton of money on this thing. but this might be a good like starter razor. You know, Gillette makes decent stuff anyways. They haven't made one of these safety razors in a long time, so it's pretty cool to see. And like when you open it, it's like shiny and fancy and all that jazz. I don't know. I'm not sold on it. I still like this one so far. I'm gonna shave for a couple more days and then I'll report back. Through the magic of video, I'll flick my fingers and then I'll be in the future to when I shaved with it again. Alright, we're in the future now. It's been a few days and I've shaved with the Gillette double-edged safety razor, as you can see there, using their provided blades. I like the shave. I still don't like how it feels like at any moment it's just gonna move and slip around in my hands. And I didn't know if it was just gonna be because of the blades themselves, so I shaved half of my face with my trusty old tiny razor here with the butterfly, using the Gillette provided blade, and then I did the other half of my face with this. I liked the shave with this razor. I think it's a good razor for if it's your first time shaving. To kind of give you a scope, I used the Blades Grim shaving soap with my badger hair brush. I don't know if I'll stick with this new razor, the Gillette razor, but it has got me thinking that maybe this isn't the best razor for me anymore. Now that I've been doing it for a while, it might be time to invest in something new. I like the weight. It seemed to be a lot easier to shave my face and get a closer shave without having to use multiple latherings and multiple shaving. So it's gonna have me probably looking for something in this same form factor, but with a butterfly top and bigger knobs to hold on to. If it's gonna be your first double-edged safety razor, these are all over the place. I got mine at Walgreens in town, and so I think that's a nice thing to talk about if you're new to the double-edged safety razor, because it's easy to find. You're getting something that's of quality, and it's pretty inexpensive. I think it was $29 for that and 5 blades. Blades are not expensive either, so don't feel like you're gonna break the bank by getting blades. It's cool. I don't think it's for me, but it has me thinking that there is a different razor out there for me, and I'm gonna find it and I'll report back when I do. But yes, I appreciate you watching this. If you like learning about different beers that I drank, shaving, growing a mustache, and maintaining your mustache, go ahead and subscribe. If you have anybody that you're related to or friends with, and they are into that kind of stuff, you could share this with them, and I would appreciate that too. But otherwise, if you're watching this now, it's probably 2021. Today is the 31st of December, so Happy New Year, and make it a great day.